Hello everyone, I'm Hussein Abulkassim, a postdoctoral research fellow with the Cybersecurity Research Lab at Rice University. And today I have a presentation on the quantum cryptography for securing the Internet of Drones. The Internet of Drones can be defined as a layered network control architecture designed for coordinating the access of drones to controlled airspace and to provide navigation services. There are many applications are increasing day by day in both the industrial and in both industry and academia sectors. And also there are many commercial applications that could that could be that could be used or could be employed for growing the global economy. However, drones are generally not designed with security in mind. There are many fundamental security and privacy issues that could threaten the expansion use of drones and need further research and study. So this work, in this work, we focus on one of the most critical security issues in the Internet of Drones system. That is the security of that is the issue of authentication. And designing Internet of Drone system doesn't consider the authentication issue problem will cause significant security problems. For example, many heavy traffic airports in different countries were closed and incurred huge financial losses due to a lack of drone authentication. So this motivates us to design secure authenticated schemes for the Internet of Drone environment. Um, Using classical cryptography indeed doesn't give us 100% secure communication system because it based on the mathematical problems or the complex mathematical problems. However, we can use quantum cryptography for providing unconditionally secure communication system that based on the principle or laws of physics, but not on the complex mathematical problems used today. So we will employ the quantum cryptography for securing our model, our proposed model here in this work. Before we dig into our proposed model, there are an important previous work that was proposed by a group of Chinese scientists in 2020. In their work, they experimentally develop and design airborne mobile quantum communication network based on or using a quantum-based drone. In their scheme, they equipped drone with quantum capabilities, quantum devices, and this drone was able to generate photons and measure photons from node to node or from user to user. They use the quantum-based drone as nodes capable of generating and measuring quantum bits between two nodes. The distance between the two nodes was around 200 meters, and the weight of the drone was 35 kilogram. And the drone was able to generating entanglement or building entanglement secure quantum channel between the two nodes or the two ground station. Actually, this work opens the door for a lot of applications that could use drone in our real life applications. So it was difficult in the past to equip or to prepare the drones with quantum capabilities. So we can propose a lot of framework, a lot of schemes for securing the communication between the drones and the ground station, and so on. Also, their scheme was able to connect or link to a ground station, to distant ground station, or can link one ground station with a satellite. So it was very inspired work for us to propose this model. In our proposed model, we uh, we have three features in our proposed model. The first one, we propose mutual identity authentication to solve the issue of authentication between the involved identity in an Internet of Drones system. And also in this proposed model, we used a pre-shared key between the ground station and the drones. And this pre-shared key can be reused several times. And also our proposed model enable the two entities or all the entities from sharing a secure key based on quantum mechanics or quantum physics. Here are our diagrams that describe our proposed model. Our proposed model contains two or more ground stations connected privately with a quantum channel or a quantum network or a classical network, but should be private network with a database server here. And we have two or more fly zone. Each drone should be available, should be authorized to only one fly zone. So the drone has to authenticate its identity before taking off with the ground station based on two communication channel, one quantum and the second one is a classical channel. And here is some notation that are used in our proposed model. In the last two rows here, the secret message that will be sent by the drone, MD, and the MG is a secret message that will be sent by the ground station. And also we will use in our proposed model here is the four Bell states and four unitary operations that are indicated here to represent the classical information in our proposed model. Here is the steps of our proposed model. We have here drone and the ground station. The drone need to authenticate its identity with the ground station, and the ground station will send a secure key based on quantum channel to the drone after authentication process. So the drone here use or generate three independent state and divide them into four sequences: S1, S2, S3, and S4. Then the drone use random key for encoding the data. Actually, the drone used two keys. The first one is random, completely random, generated by the drone. And the second one is the pre-shared key that was pre-shared with the ground station before the drone taking off. The drone will use these two keys to encode the four quantum sequence here. Then the drone will send in step 5 here, will send this new sequence after encoding to the ground station. The ground station and the drone in step 5 will, the ground station will receive this data and confirm the receiving for the drone. Then in step 5, they will check the security of the quantum channel. Actually, this data that was sent in step 4 can be sent using secure direct communication protocol, for example, for secure sending for this data. And in step 6, the drone and the ground station check the security of the quantum channel based on a common protocol called the decoy protocol. In step 7, the ground station, after he um, make sure that this communication or this channel is secure, he start authenticate or check the authentication of the drone by comparing the transmitted data and the data that he can fetch or can get from the database server. In step 8, he do some computation and bill measurement on the received sequence, and he can get the drone's secure message or secret message of the drone. Then he can also encode his secret message and send it in step 9 here to the drone again. The drone also and the ground station it checks the security of the channel in step 10 here. In step 9, in step 11, the drone compute the security message of the ground station, and at the same time he check if this secure message come from a secure unauthenticated ground station or not, based on the information shared between them. So in this model, the drone uses two keys, one random key, and the other one is pre-shared key. So when we speak about the security analysis and the proofs of this protocol, we have well-known attack. So our protocol should be secure against these known attacks. For example, we have the intercept and the resend attack. In this attack, any attacker in the middle between the drone and the ground station try to clone the transmitted photon and then resending it. But the probability of detecting the intercept and resend attack will be close to 100% when the number of the detected photon be so high or so large. So our protocol is secure, fully secure against this type of attack, and also for secure against another type of attack. For the information leakage here, our proposed model based on two secret key. One is random, and the other one is pre-shared key. So this key cannot be exposed to the attacker. So our proposed model is secure against information leakage. Here we compare our proposed model with previous proposed models. Uh, what is important here in our proposed model uses quantum channel, and the previous model here uses classical channel. So as we mentioned before, quantum channel, using quantum channel, we can send 100% secure data. So our protocol is secure against all type of attacks, including the quantum attack. Also, we have also here some features like providing authentication. Our protocol also provides authentication, and the previous one that we compare with also provide authentication. But we have here some challenge with our model. In general, it is a challenge to all the quantum-based internet. It will be a challenge to all the quantum-based Internet of Drone applications. That is the compatibility with mobile devices. Our model is very limited in this point. However, classical Internet of Drone system are compatible with mobile devices. Also, in our proposed model, we need specialized hardware. That is hardware for generating and measuring the quantum data. And we use XOR function and hash function for securing the data. That is lightweight encryption algorithm. So our protocol is lightweight, and in general, our protocol can provide the unconditional security that is required for making the Internet of Drone technology more widespread and more reusable. Okay, so here's some reference if you need to look at some of reference. Thank you.